All right, so we are at a hotel. We are working on a conference room. We just got done with probably about 30 rooms. And you see John here is using one of the new advanced low moisture cleaning systems. As is, we use a special cleaner that gets applied to the carpet. And what it does is this machine actually digs down to the base of the fiber. And there's brushes on the bottom there. It digs down to the base of the fiber, digs out all the hair, lint, and sand. And then the cleaner that we use, which is right here, that actually dissolves the soil and makes it stick to itself. And then it gets rolled up, put in there also for the most part. But the cool part about this system is that anything that doesn't get pulled off the carpet, it actually crystallizes onto the carpet without making it feel crunchy. And next time they vacuum, which is all the time here in this hotel, it'll actually get cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. The other bonus of this system is it's low moisture, dries super fast. You can hear almost no noise. It's actually quieter than a vacuum cleaner. We do vacuum the room before we clean, and we do this. And you wouldn't believe how much stuff we still get out even after vacuuming that even our professional vacuum doesn't get out, but most of all, the normal vacuuming from the service, from their house cleaning service, doesn't get. So this is thoroughly deep cleaning. This is an IICRC certified process because this machine won't damage your carpet. And then the product we're using, there's a couple different products, but the products that we're using here are certified by Shaw, which is one of the world's largest carpet manufacturers, that it won't damage the carpet. So it really makes a big difference. Let me show you. That's John. Hi, John. John's working on the carpet. I just got done spraying it and vacuuming. But this really does do a fantastic job. Usually we recommend hot water extraction to remove any residue from cleaners that may have left some residue. And then this process can be done just about indefinitely as long as it's a light to medium soil load. And the encapsulation process here is pretty much for light to medium. We do have an absorbent compound system that works with this also. And that's works really good with rugs and like greasy, oily soils, because it's actually a very low moisture system because it uses a dry compound to remove the oils and soils from some of the more difficult areas. And yeah, so tons of fun. But yeah, I just want to show you guys. We have a couple of these machines, and they work fantastic for scrubbing the carpet even when you're doing hot water extraction. But yeah. Makes a huge difference, and this really does clean up really well. But yeah, and we have a couple different cleaners we can use in there. One product is a peroxide, and it helps get rid of any funky odors and stuff too. The product we're using here does not have a peroxide in it, but it does have a deodorizer built into it, so works really good at making the hotels and stuff smell really good. Alrighty, well, I am going to finish up what I'm doing here. We got a couple more things to do today. At least I do. But yeah, we're having all kinds of fun. If you guys need low moisture cleaning, let us know. But above all else, just make sure you're hiring somebody that knows what they're doing, that's certified, has the right tools and the know-how. And most of all, if they're showing up with a do-it-yourself machine, they're probably not a professional. And if they're buying stuff from local janitor supply house, may not be a certified product and may damage your carpet more than it helps your carpet. So just beware. Make sure you're hiring someone that knows what they're doing. And the best way to find out is go to iicrc.org and look for a certified firm, and there will be a list, and you can search it by your area too, so you can find out who is who. So all right, have a great day. See you guys soon.